Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you the best online tax softwares of 2024. So let's begin. Now remember that choosing the best online tax software depends on your specific needs, such as ease of use, customer support, and the complexity of your tax situation. Now here are some of the top options for you. Number one is TurboTax by Intuit. Now, it is best for comprehensive features and ease of use. And from here, you can have a step-by-step guidance, live expert assistance, and audit support in various tiers for different tax situations. I have an account here in TurboTax because when you click the CL options, you will be asked if you have a TurboTax online accountant. Now, if you don't, what will happen is you would be forwarded here, all right? So these are your options. If you do your own taxes, start for free and pay only when you file. If you don't have, and it is the highly recommended is to get the live assisted experts that will help you do your taxes, and that's going to be start for free, pay only when you file. That's going to be $89 up to $219. All right. Now the full service, I do not recommend the full service if you don't grasp the platform yet, because what you need to do is start with the TurboTax for now. But if you don't want the headache of the step-by-step step of doing your taxes, I suggest you go for the live assisted product for free. All right. Now if you want to compare TurboTax pricing and filing options, just click here, but I suggest start now and choose later. All right, just click on the create an account option. Now from here, all you're gonna do is provide as much as information as you can and you're good to go. Let's head over to our next option, which is H&R Block. All right, so it's best for in-person support in a wide range of services, from taxes. All right, you can file online. All you're gonna do is you can file your taxes like your own at $0, start for free. But of course, you need to file yourself online anytime on any device. But if you wanted help again, file your taxes with expert help. That starts at $55. When you click on the taxes right here, you can file tax with a pro, or you can download the tax software right here, and you would be forwarded here. If you are, an accountant or have a tax background, you might want to download the app here. The basic file is going to be $35. All right. And these are the other plans that you might want to consider. Now, in terms of the finances, if you are interested on the H&R Block financial services, they also have the Spruce mobile banking app, Emerald card and refund transfer, and Emerald advance loan. Now, if you don't have an accountant yet, all you're gonna do is sign in to your account or create one. All right. Now, the tax software, if you're interested, all you're going to do is just download the file. And these are the comparison, all right? For the expat tax services, audit and tax notice support, all right? And tax extension. Remember that H&R Block has free for simple returns, and the paid version starts at $55. But again, there's going to be free filing for simple returns, multiple paid tiers, in-person and all-in assistance, and robust audit support. All right. Now, if you're not happy with H&R Block, you might want to choose Tax Slayer. All right. Again, it is best known for its affordability because I am using Tax Slayers. When you click on the products and pricing, as you can see from here, all right, you can get free for simple returns right here, multiple paid plans, and a good customer support. Now, for simple returns, the paid version starts at $24. Let's click on the start for free option here. Just create your account here if you wanted to push on the tax later. But let's get on the some of the features, right? As you can see, you might want to consider the Simply Free. You can start free, prepare, print, and e-file. Includes W-2 income and student loan interest and education expenses, free phone and email support. All right. But I suggest you go for the classic. You can start for free and you can cancel anytime if you wanted. Now, In terms of the support tax and tools right here, you have the refund calculator, wherein you have the information here, just provide and it'll gonna be do the automation for you. All right, your age, your marital status, or are you the filing head of household, and a lot more. All right, so I suggest you go here, and tax layer is also available for App Store and for Google Play. Now, the next option that we have is called Tax Act. All right. Now, it's affordable for state returns, but by that we mean these options. Federal returns are free. All right, and state returns are low cost, good for those with more complex tax situations. So if you fall in that circumstances, you might want to go for the Tax Act. Now, the pricing is free again for federal and $14.99 for state returns, as you can see it from here. So there's free, deluxe, premier, and self-employed. You can also compare filing options here. All you're going to do is choose the option here, and if you're not comfortable, you might want to get an expert assistant, get live tax advice, and add any time for these amount. Right? When you click on get started, what will happen is you would be forwarded with a real tax experts. All right, personalized advice. You can file with peace of mind knowing you have the help of a real tax expert, and add expert assistance for a flat fee of $39.99. And if you have an account here, just sign in. If you don't, just click on the create an account and just fill out the information as much as you can, and you're good to go. Credit Karma Tax. Now, it's free filing for both federal and state returns, right? But it's completely free for all tax situation. But again, I believe it lacks some of the advanced features of a paid software. The pricing is free, and if you want to just click on File Now option here, but of course, you need to log into your Intuit Credit Karma. But basically, TurboTax and Credit Karma are partners with Intuit. All right. So if you have both accounts here, you might want to leverage these platforms for your tax situations. Now, the next option is going to be Free Tax USA. It's very affordable for state returns. As you can see, for federal, $0. States are $49.99. Now, as you can see, these state returns are low cost, and it's good for those with more complex tax situation. All right, it's IRS approved for e-file provider, and a lot more offering here. When you click on the pricing and products, might want to click on the now. Of course, you need to select all of that applies to you. If you have a job, you need to receive a W-2 form. If you have dependents, I'm sorry. If you have an HSA, or if you donated to charity, owned or sold a home, and a lot more. It's up to you, all right? But the thing is, again, Free Tax USA is free for federal and $49.99 for state returns, as you can see it from here. If you have an account here, might want to click on the sign up option here. But if you don't, might want to log in and create your account. And as you can see, you have multiple ways to pay with your card or pay with your refund. All right. Now, if you're still not satisfied with Free Tax USA, you might want to go here at Jackson Hewitt Online. It's a user-friendly interface. It's simple to use, free for federal filing for simple returns, and various paid plans for more complex returns. All right, and again, it's free for simple returns. Paid version starts at $25. But the thing is, if you wanted to file in person with a tax pro, you might want to book an appointment. If you don't want it, you can drop off and go, schedule a drop off. Or again, you can file online for just $25. When you click on start filing, what will happen is you would be forwarded here to start your return. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to click on sign up. It's very easy, accurate online tax filing for less. Now that you have the benchmark for comparison, you might want to consider Jackson Hewitt Tax Services, file your taxes, resolve tax issues, and tax resources. And there's a lot of the tools or tax tools that you can use. For example, if you want to estimate your refund, click on this one right here. You can use the tax calculator below to estimate your tax refunds for 1040 for 2024. Now, by evaluating these options based on your specific needs, you can find the best online tax software for 2024 to make your tax filing process easier and more efficient. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.